caravan. I just spend my whole life scared.
Not sure about this.
Okay, I'm scared.
Here goes.
This is the bit that worries me.
You're having some anxiety.
Yes.
Coffee in bed. It was a lovely quiet night here in the forest. I'm not even 100% sure exactly where we are. Beautiful spot though. Such a nice night. Cool start to the day. Okay, time to get on the road. To go and pick Melanie up. She's walking down the track ahead of me. So we'll go find her. And head back towards Healesville for our first stage of the day. Should be a good day. Let's see what this track is like. Oh look, a hitchhiker. Want to come with me?
Okay.
There's even a microphone you can use.
Wow.
Why have I got a warning light again?
Oh man.
I might just have a walk around and see if I can see what's wrong.
Is that a light?
Yeah. Appears to be. Tail light that I replaced yesterday and was working is now not working again.
Oh.
That's right. Don't need a tail light during the day. Alright. Let's see if we can find this track. It's meant to be a track just up here to the right.
What? Where? Oh, to go back down.
Yeah. If maps is anything to go by, we've already gone past it.
Okay.
I don't think we want to carry on. I don't know. It seems alright, but it's kind of weird.
I mean, it does say accuracy low. Mine does.
Yeah, well, there's meant to be a track that went off to the right,
Yeah.
which was the one I was wanting to take.
another one. The trouble is how they're literally just tracks. Like, how are we going to know if we're safe to take them?
Yeah. I mean, worst comes to worst, we'll just find a spot to turn around and go back the way we've already come, because we know we can do that.
Oh, you're not going down there.
Left track.
Please
We
tell
came
me.
past left track yesterday.
Okay, but I don't want to go down there. That looks, turning around there looks awful. Getting in
It
there.
does look awful. I think we will.
But if we carry on here, we're going up to the Never Never. So we're going to have to turn around.
Yeah, I'm just gonna. It's wide enough here. I'm pretty sure I can turn around okay. Just don't want to get too close to that.
No. Just close my eyes.
I did.
I said I'll just close my eyes. See, it's probably a good thing we didn't get a four-wheel drive van. I'd just spend my whole life scared.
Not sure about this.
Okay, do you even need me to get out?
No, I'm not sure. I'm not confident about that. I'm gonna.
I'm stuck in the Never Never. Now what?
I'm gonna reverse into left track and then come back
But it looked
up
really
onto
steep.
Cook track.
I'm scared.
At least this is a formed track.
Yeah, I know, but it's steep. And
It's okay. All right, here goes.
this is the bit that worries me.
You're having some anxiety.
Yes.
We're nearly there. See, it's fine. This is where the other track is meant to be. So I don't know what that is on the map. There's no track there. Pardon?
It looked like the camp area. Like this guy's like there, and then the camp area is back there somewhere on the map.
Yeah. But again, I think it's accuracy low kind of a deal. So here I am on the side of the road, fixing the van. This tail light unit isn't working. No indicator, no tail light. Bunch of corrosion on the contacts. Oxidation. I'm going to need to fix it properly, but At least I've got the indicator and tail light and brake light working for the moment. I don't really want to carry on this windy road as a slow vehicle with brake lights not working properly.
Just thinking, I don't think I want to tow a caravan over here.
Be alright as long as you take it easy. Like this little red Mitsubishi. Oh my goodness. They're speeding up for the corner.
Probably the one with us, speak behind us, speak up.
Just kind of enjoying the windy foresty roads. Don't really have roads like this in the territory. Oh, jello bar. Slow down. It's going to be a bumpy jello bar. Hopefully, we can find somewhere to park. Bus only. Don't think we quite count as a bus. It doesn't have bus only on there though. Okay, well I'm going to go back around to that end of the bus parking where it doesn't actually say bus only.
Oh, okay, this one.
Pardon?
Yeah, it kind of looks like a separate park that's got a line.
Yeah. This is Mason's Falls, which is apparently a fairly popular spot today. We go for a nice walk. There's a seat up here, you could stop for a rest.
Yeah.
this is tonight's campsite.